Today we're going to be learning about wood joints and specifically how to draw them in Fusion 360. So we're going to be learning about these particular ones: butt, mitre, lap and comb or finger joints. What I need you to do is to familiarise yourself with how to see them. So what we do first of all is when we go to Collins Connect, we then we go into Content and we scroll down to section 3, resistant materials, and then within resistant materials we need joining and assembly and joining wood. And here we are, that information, and we can see these different types of joint here, and then we're going to learn to draw them in Fusion. So the first tutorial we're going to start with the butt joint. So in Fusion, the first thing I'd like you to do is to create a new folder. So you do that by doing new project. And then I've called mine wood joints, which seems very sensible. So I'm going to close that out. I'm going to switch on my origins. Now I want to draw on this surface, which I can either do by doing new sketch in this surface or just clicking R for rectangle and then clicking on this surface. I'm going to go from my origin and I'm going to draw up, and I actually want the dimensions to be 70 by 200. So I can just make sure I've got the right box selected in blue, then click 70. Tab over 200, and I can tab back and forth between them like that. Click enter when I'm done. I can finish my sketch, and I want to extrude it, so I can do extrude here, press pull here, or E for extrude, and I want to come out by 18 because that's a standard timber size. Timbers tend to come in sizes divisible by 3 millimeters, so 18 is a reasonable one for us to see. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose so if we look at the butt joint, if I just show you this, the butt joint is this one, but I want to draw mine moved apart like these are. So I'm going to go to construct offset plane. I'm going to select this surface, show what I'm doing, and I'm going to move this plane off by 20 millimeters. So simply like that. Then again, R for rectangle, click this surface, get right into that corner, then I'm going to come down and I'm actually going to tap the numbers in 70 by 18, enter, come back to my 3D view, E for extrude, and I'm going to make this one 150, and there, if I just switch my origins off, I've got my butt joint, so I can swing that around. You can see it. Now I've got this in what I like to call IKEA instruction manual mode, so just the clear 2D view, but I can change this now in display settings, visual style. I can come up and put it on shaded. I can click A for appearance, and then I can choose the material I like. So I've already chosen wood, and I can just click on the little image, making sure it's on bodies or components, and drag that over there. If you want a different one, you can download different ones here. So now this is a nice wood joint. If I would like to join the two together, I can right click, select move copy, select the one I want to move, so maybe this one. The plane, make sure I'm moving bodies, not faces. It tends to default to faces, so I'm moving bodies. The direction of movement this, and I want to move by 20 mil. And now that's all joined up. So that's how you make a butt joint.